What's going on, Brews? I'm going to be talking about how you can get started with using the Binance US app. Okay, so Binance is an amazing platform for trading and investing in cryptocurrency. Now, their mobile app is awesome. I'm going to throw up the desktop version, though, for right now, just so I can show you the basics of how to get started with it. Also, if you guys want to get a free $10 in crypto, I'll have some links in both the description and comments. Okay, anyways, I've got about $300 right now on here, so like not a ton of money, but I've had more in the past. Now, Binance actually separated their main website into a US version website. So this is specifically for people in the US right now. Currently, you can trade around 20 different coins on the platform. Now, they've got some, major ones, obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Stellar. But there's also some coins on here you might have never heard of before, like the Engine token. They've got the basic attention token. Currently, I own some of the Engine token, which is like a gaming token. It's pretty cool. I mean, I like the concept of it. And, I think that it's definitely got a future. Now, Binance, obviously, this isn't the only app I'm using for cryptocurrency. I use Coinbase as well. But when it comes to like buying and selling on here, it's pretty cool because it's pretty analytical. So, you can pull up different charts on here. You can see like the 1 minute chart, the 2 minute chart, the 1 day, the 1 week, the 1 month, etc. So you can pull up these different candlestick charts to see, what's going on as far as like the buying and selling. You can also pull up price histories on here, 24-hour price changes, volume for coins. And on the right side here, they have the coins listed where you'd click on them and then you could start, buying and selling these coins. So buying's pretty simple. You just, put in how much you want to buy of whatever coin on here. Connecting, a debit card or your checking account is very fast on here as well, and getting money in and out of the app is also very fast. So, for example here, I'm just, pulling up some different things. But when you go down here, you can just see, you can just type in how much you want to buy real quick, how much you want to sell. Now, the fees for buying and selling in here are very minimal. They're like nothing at all. And it's really easy. All right, so that's basically the basics for Binance. It's really easy to get started. I also want to go over some coins that I recommend checking out. It's not financial advice, but if you do get started on here, I'm just going to give you like 5 or 6 that I think are worth, throwing a little bit of money into. Now, the first coin I'm going to pull up on here is going to be Aetherium. So, Aetherium, it's a coin that's really connected with a lot of other coins, altcoins. So the price on it at one point was like $1,200. It's down to like $200, but I think that, the future for it's going to be really good. The next coin is going to be XRP. This is a banking coin for, banks to make large transfers with. This is another coin that I think has a bright future. All right, then we've got the basic attention token. This is an advertising token that I think is pretty sweet. It's connected with the Brave browser. I think the price is going to continue to go up on this one based on how many people are using the Brave browser. So it's another good one. Then, of course, Chainlink, also known as Link. This is a coin that was last year's most popular coin. It was up like 500%. It's a coin that uses smart contracts to use other altcoins. It's interesting, but it's caught on, so it's another one worth looking up. XLM, also known as Stellar, it's kind of the same as XRP in the fact that it's kind of like geared towards banks, but it's also going for individuals for, making, everyday transfers and everything. So that's another good one. Then, of course, the last one here, the Engine token. Now, this is a gaming token. I currently own like $300 of it. I think it's worth checking out. But I also want to go over real quick here, a course if you guys want to start learning a little bit more about, trading and selling cryptocurrency and kind of like the 3 different methods you can use, which would be like, day trading, swing trading, long-term trading. Plus, whether you're a beginner or novice, I think it's definitely worth it. So it's called Stack the Crypto. I'll have a link in the description and comments for this as well. But it breaks down basically, how you can start, trading crypto, investing in it, some of the different coins worth checking out. It breaks it down really easy. And, I just think that learning from somebody who's been doing this is always a good idea instead of just trying to do everything by yourself. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you could smash a like button, grab that free $10 in crypto as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.